Congratulations on getting your new Alexa home. With this device, there's a lot of things you can do. And in this video, we're gonna walk through the app and we're gonna talk about the things that Alexa can do for you to make your life just a little bit easier. So without further ado, let's get this started. When you use your Alexa, you just go to the App Store, download Amazon Alexa app, and simply just click on it after it's downloaded and open it up. Now once you open it, the app is really nice. The first page that you greeted with, it tells you the date, weather. It's kind of like a synapse briefing of your day, and you could learn about new skills. It has your to-do list. I have take my bill and buy charcoals because we're going camping this weekend, so I added that to my to-do list. Next we have customized Alexa's answers. So basically, and by the way, when you're in this app, when you say the wake word, it automatically triggers it. So to make this video easy, instead of Alexa, I'm just gonna say computer. So when you wanna say, I can't even say that, it's weird to say computer. Anyway, so you could customize the way she interacts with you, and then she answers your questions. So if you want it to be fast, if you want you to take her time and answer you, this is a great way to kind of go deep inside of this AI's brain and make it your own. This is a good thing about this device, is that you could make it your own basically. You could make it as friendly as you want or as snappy as you want to just get the answer right there and then. And then you could personalize it. So I myself, I have a show, Echo Show, and those are amazing. So once you have them, you could basically put pictures in there, make it your own, customize it, have it show you different type of news. Like for example, if you're interested in tech, it would just bring up tech news for you. So by going here, you could basically add anything that you want. You could connect it to your Facebook. So if you have an update in there, it would let you know. And if you have a photo in your phone that you wanted to show, like be a canvas for yourself, that's no problem. That can make it do for you guys really easy. Now, another app that I use in my Alexa was when I want to listen to music, I use TuneIn. And right here you get those options again, and then you have music, which you could connect up to many different music stations. I myself have it connected to my Apple Music, so that way I'm paying for one subscription, even though I have YouTube Music and it's much nicer than Apple Music. But because I'm using Apple devices, I find the Apple interface much more friendlier than YouTube's interface for music, so I have it connected here. And then you could try timer. So basically it tells you things to try. It has some Alexa basics, and every time I say that trigger word, it wakes it up. And it has all of the information right in the first page. Now this is your home page. Whenever you come, the first thing in the home page is you get your date, and then you get all of these nice little cards that each one of them tells you a different thing that you can try, and then you could just click on them, learn more, and interact with your device. Now we have communication. Now in this portion of the app, you could set up calls, you could set up share photos, drop in, announce, and that's more of just talking to other devices inside of your home. So for example, if you're in your office and you want to talk to someone in the kitchen, you just drop into kitchen and then you just talk to them. So then we have this little blue button in the middle. Now every time you press that one, it simply does as if you would say Alexa. That would trigger that word. So if you, instead of saying that, you could just press that blue button and you don't have to say the name anymore. Now on the play section, it shows you the musics that you played the most and the music that you like the most, and it shows you the station that they played for you mostly on your devices. So on your Amazon device, depending on what music you like, what genre you like, let's say you're listening to a music and you liked something, you could refer back to this app, download it, see what it is, and explore it. And then finally, we have devices. Now this is where you could truly take advantage of your device. basically you could set up different lights, you could set up different timers, you could set up your camera, and you could take advantage of it. Now I have my room divided into all rooms: bedroom, light, living room, office, and you could just pretty much add anything to it. I have a lot of hue lights and they're all connected together, so this is where they all lie in. Now another thing is that the plus button, once you press it, you could add your devices to it and all of that. So if we're going to the home page, and on the top left side you click on there, you have option, you go to the setting basically, and then you could add devices, list or notes, you could access them, trigger them, change them, or modify them. You could go to your reminders and your alarms. You could create routine, which is really nice. For example, every time I say good night, all the lights get shut off, all the lights are off, and when I say I'm home, everything turns on, music starts playing. Or whenever you say good morning, it will play a music, it will turn on my lights, and it's really simple to do it. So for example, we're gonna create a new routine, routine name, let's go. For example, we say let's go. When this happens, add an action. So we say music, play happy from, I don't know, Apple Music, and then you could set up all your lights. So basically gesture, you could do whatever you want to do and make it nice, make it your own. Then things to try, basically you go here and then you learn things that you can try with your device. And skills and games are one of the best things about this device. Basically by going here you could find apps and skills that you could download and install into your device, and you could install as many as you want, so it's not going to get filled up. And then once it's installed, you could truly take advantage of this powerful machine. So I recommend when you get your device, go into the category and then see the things that they have. I myself, I have 32 enabled devices, which is connected to my iRobot, connected to my Nano Leaf, connected to my podcast, to my music, cloud cam, number counter, and so I have a couple of things installed, which is really nice. Blueprint, it's basically talks about the skills and how they work, the skills that you have, and the things that you can do with it. And activity just brings up the things that you say, the things that you search, and then you could track everything. Help and feedbacks is pretty self-explanatory, and in your setting you could go reset your device and make those little adjustments. So when you get your device, I really recommend that you spend a little time with it, not with your device itself, but with the app, because that's where this device actually shines. It's not gonna happen overnight. It takes a long time setting everything up, but once you set it up, you're good to go. It takes, I could say it takes about 2-3 days to set everything up. And if you want to do it correctly, it takes a long time. My iRobot itself took about days to map my house because it kept making mistakes. I had to rerun it again, then it wasn't syncing with Alexa, so I had to sync it again. It was a disaster. But once it was set up, it's done. You set it up, you make the rules, you make if this and that, or you make all of those, and at the end of it, everything is automated. By saying one word, you could turn off everything, you could turn everything on. You could truly take advantage of this beautiful set of artificial intelligence that you're having in your house and you're taking granted for. It's not gonna be easy. It's gonna take some time and some getting used to, especially if it's your first time diving inside of this this device itself. But once you get your hands dirty, once you watch a couple of videos, and I recommend, if you, for example, if you have a hue light and you want to set it up, search YouTube for it. Search how to set up Hue light with my Amazon Alexa, and I'm sure you'll find thousands of videos that will explain it to you. Watch those videos because it's easier to watch a 2 minutes or 3 minutes or let's say 10 minutes video than spending hours trying to get something correctly and then find out that you made a small problem in the simplest thing. But as always, I hope you liked it and you enjoyed it. And if you have any question, if you want a specific note on a specific detail or a specific skill, let me know in the comment section below and then we can talk about it. As always, thank you for watching. And by the way, did you like that ice cream right here? I love it.